disappear every time you are near. Just begun to live. White lays and promises, a kiss for luck when we're on our way. We've only begun before the rising sun. We fly.
Hello po, FDD. Kindly greet my pamangkin, our little princess, Rihanna Alain Nikki, from Isa Jane Ulaya.
Ayan, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Rihanna Alain.
Yes.
Thank you for listening.
Good. Aki mo, tayo pa eh. Congratulations sa nata po nga mayan natop iti umadanin nga panay paduyak-yak tayo iti aldaw dagiti puso. I look out and I see the rain as it falls on my window pane, and the music that's in my heart is a sad refrain. Endless traffic of sounds and sights amidst the glitter of the neon lights. Still the music that's in my heart is a sad refrain. Memories of you follow everywhere I go, down the high byways of my days. Music of your laughter fills my every dream, like a love song from long ago. Never-ending streams of faces come and go, million different people all around. No use searching for, I'll never find you there. For you are far beyond compare. Take a jet to a hideaway from the hundred of every day. Hear the music that's in my heart is a sad refrain. Memories of you follow everywhere I go, down the high and byways of my days. Music of your laughter fills my every dream, like a love song from long ago. Never-ending streams of faces come and go, million different people all around. No use searching for, I'll never find you there. For you are far beyond compare. Searching for, I'll never, no use searching for, I'll never find you there. For you are far beyond compare. From Jose Marichan, Karuba, the song called Refrain, and this time Anati kayak mo kantahin balong. Sumaritakan when kayo pwede pumasa kada kita itong mga pablaw. Ay awan na actually puro guessing da kita tatan and no kasi nga talaga nga oras kat orasan kada kita akakasamit nga samiweng marud. Ano? As requested?
Ana?
Ito Baro kanta.
Sandali.
Awan samot, hindi makansyon mong balong.
Ang garod.
Lagi bagakan.
Sige talat.
You stand today like we always dreamed, starting out our lives together. Light is in
for our final piece, kaaruba, maawawagan, dagiti ipapata, kakadwami apo nga DJ, nga pogtuan da apo, iti pamagatda, dati nga sonata, over our official text line laeng apo iti mabalin nyo nga pagtextan kat barbaring lang no da kayon ti mapagkasatan iti dwagasot a piso. Once again for our DJs lang apo dahil kaduhami dito yung Sweet Radio dito
kasali session
kadwa isunod ta ore adito sunod di na makita no di title na dito eh
bawal pumunta dito sa loob
bawal ilak mo dito pinto ilak mo okay lang ta kaya na dito ang pugtuan amo na dito nga sonata inunaan lang kung sino man po ang nakikinig ngayon DJ Mavi DJ Foxy Herder, si DJ KDJ, sino pa ba?
DJ Lee,
DJ Chia,
DJ House, DJ Sam,
DJ Sam, DJ Rafi, DJ Ariston, DJ Karwar.
May pa-push button.
Wala ka namang kasama dito, kanina sana yan. Okay, ununaan lang dito sa text line
mag-text
na
dito.
Text line, okay.
Name, age, address, vital statistics. Hindi, joke lang. Ang lamig.
Only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. My winner na. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand and take my whole life too. But I can't help falling in love with you. Once again, Apo Karuba, advance happy Valentine from Ford Duo Production Incorporated. From yours truly, Manu June. Kenjan Mark Pastor, kat wala pagpatit lang nga po at napaisip na kayo kumak. At Adda kami naman next week. Same time, same place. Only Rider 97.7.
Same frequency.
Mamaya pa. Ito nag-aapura ka naman. Ito muna sa labas. Save my hand and save my whole life. Congratulations to
DJ Sean.
1,000 pesos.
Batang-bata, 23.
I can't help falling in love. Siga mga order tapeta, but I can help.
But I can't help falling in love with you.
Tinira mo palong. So to our
Kaya matching a party na.
3 days na yan. Once again, thank you very much, Apo. Iti pa ng katayo kami. Katayo tayo naman yung June.
Ken, kanakan nyo nga John Mark.
Saying goodbye and God bless everyone. Congratulations, DJ Sean.
Yes.
For 1,000 pesos, courtesy of Four Decade Duo Production Incorporated, and for helping us last night in our concert. Once again, Diyos tiyag niya na katatayo amin.